Hello, it's Aerial Brina. Today I'll be showing you how to do some contortion moves on the aerial hoop. Don't forget to subscribe. For all of these moves, they are going to be on the bottom of the hoop. You can also do them on the top of the hoop if you feel comfortable enough, but I would start on the bottom. To do a bird's nest, we are going to start at the bottom of the hoop. We are going to tuck through arms like so, and then put our feet on the inside of the hoop, and then we can let our legs slip down, and we end up in this nice contortion pose. To get out, we can go into our hog and let ourselves out of the move or go into another position. To do a crab and an extended crab, you're going to be on the bottom of the hoop. You're going to put one leg through, and then this is a regular crab, this is an extended crab. To get out of it, we return back to our hog and let ourselves down or go into another move. The last move I'm going to show you is called a jigsaw. To do this move, you are going to put your hands on the hoop, the bottom of the hoop. You are going to flip over using a partial skin the cat. Let one foot through and drop the other leg into your elbow. So my other leg is literally leaning right here. Straighten them out and look at the camera. To get out, we can do reverse motion, or you can return back to our hawk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more aerial, dance, and tumbling content.